Hello, guys. This is Martin from eslquebec.ca. For another lesson, this time we're going to talk about descriptive adjectives. So, we're going to start this lesson by giving you a definition of what is a descriptive adjective. A descriptive adjective basically gives a description of a person, a thing, or a place. So let's look at some of the examples that we have here. So let's start here on the left. Erin is beautiful. So the adjective beautiful describes Erin. Erin is beautiful. She is skinny. Skinny is a synonym of thin. So I'm talking about her body here. So the word skinny, which is an adjective, describes the subject she. She is skinny. She's thin. She's not fat. The next word is handsome. Bob is handsome. Handsome is a descriptive adjective and it refers to the beauty of a person, more specifically men. So we use the adjective handsome when we talk about boys or men, not women. He is muscular. Here I'm talking about the shape of the body of this person. And muscular describes the subject he. He is muscular. Jean is tall. The adjective tall is used to talk about the height of a person. So, for example, maybe this person is 5 foot 11 inches tall, or maybe she's 1 meter 80. So this person is tall. I'm talking about the height of the person. Jean in English is a name for female. Let's go with the next example. Sam is young. The adjective young describes Sam. Sam is young. And young, well, when I'm using this adjective, I'm talking about the age. I'm trying to describe the age of this person. So maybe Sam is only, maybe he's only a teenager. Maybe he's, I don't know, maybe 15, 16, 17 years old. Okay. So maybe that's it. I'm talking about the age of a person. That car is expensive. The word expensive is an adjective and it describes the word car. And the word expensive is used when I'm talking about the price of something. That shirt is too small. Small is the adjective and it describes the noun shirt. So that shirt is too small. We use the word small or its opposite, large, when we talk about the size, for example, of clothes. Let's go on the other side, next column. She has beautiful eyes. Here, again, we have the adjective beautiful, and this time, beautiful describes the eyes of the person. So, how are the eyes? They are beautiful. So, here, notice that the word eyes is plural, and the adjective beautiful is also, well, is not also, but rather is singular. In English, adjectives will not vary, will not change, will not have a plural form. Adjectives are always singular, no matter if the object they describe is singular or plural. Let's go with the next one. She has long blonde hair. The word long describes the word hair. The word blonde also describes the word hair. Sometimes we combine more than one adjectives. So, long blonde hair. He is a handsome man. He's a handsome man. Here, handsome describes the noun man. Again, here I'm talking about the beauty of a person, and that person is a man. Again, remember, handsome is for men only. We don't say a handsome woman. No, we cannot say that. He has a great body. A great body. The adjective great describes the body. So I'm talking about here maybe Bob, who is muscular and he has a great body. Okay, so I'm trying to describe the body. Great is a very positive here. It's a positive adjective. Okay, so something that is physique is wonderful, for example. That tall woman is Jean. That tall woman is Jean. Here, I'm describing the woman. Okay, how is the woman? She's tall. So the adjective tall is used to describe the word woman, the noun woman. I'm talking about the height of the person. So maybe Jean is maybe, I don't know, maybe 5 foot 11 inches tall. Maybe she's 1 meter 80. She's a tall woman. I have two young children. Two young children. The word young is an adjective and it describes the age of the two children. Again, here you see the word children is plural. So we say one child, but two children. And the adjective does not take the plural form, it stays the same, it stays singular. Young. I have two young children. A Tesla, a Tesla is a car, by the way. A Tesla is not a cheap car. That's the make of a car. An electric vehicle, by the way. A Tesla is not a cheap car. The adjective cheap is used to describe the noun car. How is the car? Not cheap. We use the word cheap and expensive when we talk about the price of something or sometimes the quality of something. So if it's not cheap, it means it's probably a, a high quality car. The last sentence, I need a large shirt. The adjective large describes the noun shirt. Okay, so how is the shirt? Large. So large shirt. Have you noticed here, okay, in this column that the adjectives beautiful, blonde, handsome, great, tall, young, cheap, and large, they always precede the nouns here. And that's the rule in English. So the adjectives that precede the nouns that they describe. Except when we have here the verb to be, and we sometimes don't need to repeat something like Erin is beautiful woman. I don't need to say that she's a woman. So I could stop right after Erin. Erin is beautiful, and that's enough. But this is because I have the verb to be. So very often when you have the verb to be, when you describe someone, something, or a place, you will use the verb to be very often, and then it will be followed by an adjective. So this is the conclusion of this short video on descriptive adjectives.